Take your projects to the next level by adding vibrant color, brilliant shine, and metallic touches with the Deco Foil Transfer Sheets by ThermOWeb. Transfer sheets come in 5-sheet tubes and 20-sheet packs, both measuring 6 inches by 12 inches, and 25-foot rolls measuring 12.5 inches by 25 feet. They come in a variety of colors and designs, including metals, solids, patterns, watercolors, and holographics. Deco foil can be used as a toner-reactive foil or as a textile foil that's also washable. Pair your favorite foil color or design with the numerous Deco Foil adhesives and applications, from clear designer toner sheets to transfer gel. Easily add foil touches to all of your projects, from card making, layouts to fabric, with Deco Foil Transfer Sheets by ThermOWeb.